loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. Today we are doing a pretty exciting video, but before we get started, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button while you're already here. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. Be sure to hit the bell as well if you're subscribing and if you're returning, just so that you're able to get notifications about what's going on here weekly. This is a family function every week, twice a week. It's what we're trying to do. So far I've been successful, but it's a family function every week, you know what I'm saying? So you need to get the notification so you can be here or be square, but you want to be here, not square, you know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying. This week we're doing an exciting video. As I stated before, I never thought I would ever go to the opposite side of Ulta where all the luxurious palettes are, because I told myself, listen, once you get a taste of luxury, sis, you may not be able to stop. So I minded my business. I stayed on the side with the Maybelline and the Morphe and the NYX and the, you know, I was just staying in my lane. And Jackie just had to go and move her big toe over onto my carotid. Like, her foot was already on all of our necks, let's be honest, but now she just scooted over the big toe and now it's on our carotid. Like, now I couldn't breathe before, but now my pulse is also dwindling. When does she stop? You know, like, when does she stop? Anyways, this is the palette. She's beautiful. I mean, look at the reflector, the colors. Like, why would she, you know how like you're always looking for the perfect browns? Like, you know how you just want to put in a nice orangey brownish shade into your transition area, and you want to throw another brown in, and then you want to throw a darker crisp brown into your crease. That's literally my favorite go-to look. I mean, it truly is. And normally when I travel, I have to bring multiple palettes to achieve that look, but Jackie just went ahead and she threw the 3 faves in there. Like, literally, ginger credit and edges are like everyday shades, every day, absolutely every day. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. The shade ranges are beautiful. You could really turn it up or you can keep it neutral. Like, she gave us options. I'm so excited because finally I feel like I can just travel with this. Like, I don't feel like I need to carry another palette. Now I can bring an extra highlighter. I'm standing super hard, as you can see, super standing. So if you want to see how I got this look, guys, then please stay tuned. Also, disclaimer for the lip, at the end it's not as dark as this because I went in with a brown matte lippy because the lip liner just wasn't dark enough for me, you know what I'm saying? So that's why she looks a little bit more chocolatey here than she does at the end of the video, but that's what happened. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video and I hope that you have an awesome day. Bye.